Hello guys, it's CRZ Trades. Today I'll be going over the daily recap for the 12th of December and the trades I took. Today I'm embarrassed to say that I took 6 trades and actually 7 because one was placed in the paper trading for some reason. And yeah, let's get into it. Going into the day, we were super bearish because we had a daily SMT on the highs and we were reacting out of a 1 hour fair value gap and we were ejecting out of it pretty well. So yeah, let's get into market open. As you can see, market opens right here. We inverse those 15-minute fair value gaps and we continue to the downside. What we can see is here is we have a strong SMT right there on those internal highs. As you can see, yeah, and Q takes that high while ES fails to do that. And yeah, we pretty much waited for the inversion of that, which was beautiful, and then we entered short. My stop loss was somewhere around here. My profit target was like right here. I'm not sure, I don't remember. But what happened here? I think I went again. Yeah, I forgot to set my break even point, the point where we would displace out of it. We tail our stop loss to break even, and let me show you what happened exactly in the trade. Yeah, I entered right here. As you can see, it was a perfect entry. Targeted those lows below, and yeah, I think yeah, I set my stop loss at break even too early. Must have been before even this candle right here, I think. I'm not sure. I maybe trailed it to break even or just to some profit. Not sure. Maybe I have trailed it right around there after we displaced. No, yeah, I did it right there, and yeah, so that was very bad risk management, super bad. It couldn't be more bad, but yeah, we move on. Then we were in an area that I was expecting to see again a continuation to the downside, but we ended up forming a long setup. Let me tell you why. As you can see here, we create an obvious SMT and we also reject out of a 5-minute fair value gap on NQ, and there's a 1 hour fair value gap on ES2. See here, again, we caught this trade again. I think we are targeting those highs above. I'm not sure about my stop loss, but yeah, might even show you the executions later, don't worry. And yeah, again, the mistake I did was I trailed my stop loss way too early. I got stopped out didn't even reach here. Let me see where I actually entered on not replay. Key executions. Wait. So yeah, let's see where I entered. As you can see, yeah, I entered right here and ended up closing the trade right. No, I entered late. I waited for an inversion, maybe 1 minute fair value gap. I'm not sure, but yeah, as you can see, we got stopped at break even because again, I set my stop loss way, way too early. I think may have taken it on a 15-second as well. Again, another mistake. And yeah, uh, anyway, yeah, mine was right here. Sorry, target those highs above, I think, yeah. And after this candle, my break even, I think, was right about here. And yeah, when we tapped that, I got scared and yeah, closed the trade. I don't remember, but as you can see, it's break even. The price that I bought it is the same one as I sold it. So I don't remember what the other trades were. Those two were actually good setups, very good setups, just bad risk management. The other trade I took was this one. Where is it? Let me find it. No, I think we are inside of a 1 minute fair value gap. Yeah. Let me clear this up a bit. We are inside of a 1 minute fair value gap because we couldn't retrace into a 5 minute. I waited for a retrace into the 1 minute, as it was much more probable for price to reach a 1 minute fair value gap instead of a 5 due to the expansion. And we actually got a nice uh, discretionary setup right there, which I'm proud I entered and caught. I was very aware here. I was constantly marking 1 minute fair value gaps, and yeah, it was very nice trade, very clean. And the other trades, I think we were just inside of a not even a 5 minute. Let me see. Um, no, we are inside of a 5 minute. Yeah, I remember. We were inside of it on yes, not on NQ, and that's why this happened. It was very bad, not unfortunate. And yeah, another problem is I was very greedy and didn't set a good stop loss. So I got manipulated out before I could even take some profit or even see some profit. So this immediately hit stop loss and I can enter there. I don't remember what I entered off. a fair value gap right there. Basically, there was were we inside of a 1 minute fair value gap or something? No, there's no chance there was a 5 minute. Yeah, so there was no fair value gap. We just had an internal SMT with clear displacement above the inverse fair value gap. So we entered and targeted, I think, the C of this fair value gap. If I'm right. But yeah, again, we are again too greedy with our stop loss. So we got stopped out immediately before even seeing any profit. So yeah, these were the trades for today. I'm really disappointed for those trades. I should only have taken 2 setups max on the day. I set a new rule now that only allows me to take 2 setups a day, 2 A plus setups. The first 3 setups that I took were A plus. This one, this discretionary one, paired with this one and this one, were all A plus setups for me. The other 3 were not valid, and yeah, shouldn't even have taken them. So yeah, overall a pretty bad day, but yeah, we keep on moving. Let's go, guys. Thank you for the support. I'll try to make better videos, provide more content, more value for you, and yeah, thank you, guys.